In today's video, I'll show you how to change fonts in Typeform step by step. If you want your forms to look more professional, match your brand, or simply improve readability, customizing fonts is one of the easiest ways to upgrade your design. First, open Typeform and go to your workspace. Then open the form where you want to change the font style, or create a new one if you're starting fresh. Once you're inside the form builder, look at the top menu and click on the Design or Theme section. This is where all visual customization options are located. Now choose the theme you are currently using, or select a new one if you want a fresh starting point. Inside the theme settings, you'll find the Typography or Font section. Click on it to see the available font options. Typeform offers different font styles, and you can preview each one instantly. As you click through them, you'll see your form text update in real time, making it easy to choose the best look. Pick a font that matches the purpose of your form. For example, clean and simple fonts work best for surveys and contact forms, while more modern styles can be used for creative projects. After selecting your font, you can also adjust related text settings like size, weight, and spacing. These small changes can make a big difference in how easy your form is to read. If you are building a branded form, try to keep your font consistent with your website or business identity. This helps create a more professional and trustworthy experience for users. Before finalizing, use the preview option to check how your form looks on both desktop and mobile devices. This ensures your font is readable across all screens. Once everything looks good, your changes are automatically saved and your new font will be applied to the entire form. And that's it. You've successfully changed fonts in Typeform and improved the overall design of your form. And that's how you change fonts in Typeform. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.